A common business problem is to find the county where a customer resides. This can be required to determine sales tax or to obtain other background information on a location. County can be determined either by the zip code or by the full address. The method of determining county by address is more accurate since a zip code can contain more than one county. CDX Technologies offers a variety of tools which allow you to determine county and many other data items for a zip code or address. Which of our products you choose depends on the data you need, the technology platform in use, and on the number of reports and requests you expect to do. If you have just a few addresses, you can look up our free online tools to do this. For instance, to determine a county, you can use our zip code lookup tool to generate a report for a zip code which includes the county name and many other data items. Let's now start up the tool from our website. To do this, visit cdxtech.com and then use the top-level Tools menu. Select Free Tools and then Zip Code Lookup, and then enter the zip code you'd like to analyze and press Generate Report. The county shown is the primary county for the zip code. A typical report will look like this. Additional information is provided such as latitude, longitude, area code, and more. A further description of this tool can be found in our blog article, Free Zip Code Lookup for City, County, State, and More. A link to this article is in the description below. If you have the full address, our online tool for address correction and ZIP+4 data can be used. To access this tool, use the Tools, Free Tools, Address Correction, and ZIP+4 Lookup menu item. This tool links to a USPS database to determine valid addresses, correct spelling errors, and return ZIP+4 and other associated data for an address. Address data can be entered as a single string or in a multi-line format. Let's now create a typical report. To do this, simply enter an address, you don't have to include a zip code, and then press Generate Report. The output report will include the county name and also the zip and ZIP+4, even though it wasn't in the original address. For a tutorial on using this tool, please see our YouTube video, Free Address Correction and ZIP+4 Lookup, which is linked below. If you have many addresses to process, our bulk address correction and ZIP+4 online tool is the fastest way to do this. To access this tool, go to the Tools menu again, click on Bulk Tools, and select the first option, Bulk Address Correction and ZIP+4 Processing. Your data is uploaded in an Excel or CSV file. Both single-column address and multi-column address formats are supported. The tool will automatically search for the required columns and then present a preview of the output report. Let's take a look at one of these output reports in the format of it. All of the data items in the free report, such as county, are included in the CSV report output. If we scroll over, we have additional data items such as state and county FIPS, the delivery point barcode, and also the latitude and the longitude of the 5-digit zip code. For one-time reports, pay a penny per address using your credit card or PayPal. There's a minimum charge of $9.95. Up to 20,000 address requests can be processed in a single report. For a quick review of how to use this tool, check out our YouTube video, which is linked in the description below. You can also use a pre-purchased CDX Streamer account for lower costs and no minimum charge. If you just have a list of zip codes and need to determine the primary county for each, use our zip code demographic batch report. To access that, go back to the Tools menu, select Bulk Tools, and select Zip Code Demographics Batch Report. Then create a CSV or Excel file with zip codes in a single column and upload it to the tool. The output file will then consist of the county name as well as many other demographics covering population and income statistics for the zip code. You can use your CDX Streamer account or pay a penny per zip code for these one-time reports. Here is an example report. It includes the county name and many other demographic items relating to the zip code. You can download the report in CSV format. A custom template is also available so you can import the data and display a graphical demographic report for all your zip codes. We've covered what our online applications can do, but we also have desktop and other tools for this type of analysis. Each of our three major products, CDXZipStream, CDXStreamer, and CDXGeodata, have the capability to determine county name and many other data items by zip code or address. CDXZipStream is a Windows-based Excel add-in that can process bulk zip code or address reports. If you prefer to work in the browser, as described in the online tools above, choose the CDXStreamer subscription service. If you are developing your own solution and need a web service API for zip code lookup and address correction, consider our CDXGeodata product. This solution is platform independent and will work on both the Mac and Windows. Each of these three products offers the ability to create custom formulas in Excel to return county name by zip code or address through the use of add-in technology. Formulas are then copied down your list to quickly create reports. A video tutorial of doing this with CDXZipStream is linked below. Pre-configured templates are also available to automate this operation. The features described above are just a small sampling of the capabilities that CDX Technology products can offer. Not only county name, but hundreds of different data items can be retrieved. Each of these products also includes advanced location analytics such as distance geocoding and radius reports. Free demos are available so you can try before you buy. For more information, please visit www.cdxtech.com. Thanks for listening, and don't hesitate to contact us with any other questions by emailing support@cdxtech.com. If you would like to be alerted to new videos we release, please consider subscribing to the CDX Tech channel on YouTube and turn on notifications.